Best hoverboards. Hoverboards have become one of the most popular personal transport gadgets, especially for riders who want a fun, fast, and convenient way to get around. As demand increases, buyers are looking for the best hoverboards that offer strong build quality, smooth handling, safety, and great value. This guide evaluates top picks based on motor performance, wheel design, battery reliability, durability, and rider-friendly features to help you choose a model that suits your lifestyle and budget.
Product number 1, Aliexpress Hoverboard. The Aliexpress Hoverboard is a reliable choice for beginners and casual riders thanks to its balanced mix of safety, style, and smooth performance. It features a self-balancing design that makes it easy to learn, even for younger riders. The board's dual 300-watt motors deliver steady acceleration and responsive turning, while its durable shell protects against everyday bumps. LED lights on the wheels and front panel add visibility at night and give it a cool, modern look. Its non-slip foot pads offer better control, and the sturdy wheels handle indoor floors, pavement, and smooth outdoor surfaces comfortably. It also includes certified safety protection, ensuring stable battery performance and peace of mind for parents. Overall, the Aliexpress Hoverboard is a well-rounded option that balances affordability, safety, and performance for everyday riding.
Product number 2, Simate Hoverboard. The Simate Hoverboard is designed for riders who want a blend of durability, power, and entertainment features. With dual 300W motors, it provides solid speed and torque, making it suitable for both beginners and more experienced users. The built-in Bluetooth speaker lets riders enjoy music on the go, while the colorful LED lighting enhances visibility and adds fun to every ride. Its strong shell and thick rubber tires help deliver stable performance on sidewalks, driveways, and other smooth terrains. The hoverboard also features slip-resistant pedals that improve control, especially at higher speeds. Simate includes essential safety certifications and reliable battery protection, making it a trustworthy choice for families. Whether you're cruising around the neighborhood or heading to school, the Simate Hoverboard offers great value by combining performance, safety, and entertainment in a stylish package.
Product number 3, Gyro Warrior G2. The Gyro Warrior G2 stands out as a rugged, off-road-ready hoverboard built for adventure-loving riders. Its powerful dual 350-watt motors and large 8.5-inch solid tires allow it to handle grass, gravel, dirt paths, and uneven surfaces with ease. Made with a strong aluminum frame and durable ABS parts, the G2 offers excellent stability, shock absorption, and long-term reliability. The hoverboard also includes Bluetooth speakers and vibrant LED lights, enhancing both fun and safety during rides. Riders appreciate its responsive controls, smooth acceleration, and strong hill climbing capability, qualities rarely found in many standard models. With UL-approved battery protection, the Warrior G2 ensures safe charging and dependable performance. Ideal for riders seeking durability and all-terrain versatility, the Gyro Warrior G2 is a perfect option for outdoor cruising, weekend adventures, or anyone who wants a high-performance hoverboard.
Product number 4. Product number 4, Gyro G13. The Gyro G13 is a sleek, high-performance hoverboard designed for riders who want a mix of speed, stability, and smart features. Its dual 300-watt motors provide smooth acceleration, while the 6.5-inch wheels make it suitable for streets, walkways, and flat outdoor areas. The strong shell construction and shock-absorbing tires deliver a comfortable, controlled ride even on slightly uneven surfaces. A built-in Bluetooth speaker and bright LED lights enhance riding fun and visibility. The G13 also features a responsive self-balancing system, making it easy for beginners to learn while giving experienced riders enough precision for sharper turns. Safety-certified battery components ensure consistent performance and protection from overheating. Lightweight yet durable, the Giroor G13 is perfect for daily commutes, neighborhood rides, and indoor-outdoor fun, offering excellent value for those seeking a stylish and dependable hoverboard. Product number 5. Hover One Ultra. The Hover One Ultra is a crowd favorite thanks to its refined design, reliable motor performance, and beginner-friendly controls. Equipped with dual 250-watt motors, it offers smooth acceleration and steady speed, ideal for city sidewalks or suburban streets. The Ultra focuses on stability with its solid 6.5-inch wheels, responsive balancing technology, and comfortable foot pads that keep riders secure throughout their ride. Although simpler than some entertainment-focused models, it includes front LED lighting for added visibility and a clean, streamlined look. The hoverboard's safety features include UL-certified battery systems that protect against overcharging and overheating. Known for its long-lasting build and ease of use, the Hover One Ultra is a great option for first-time riders, teens, and anyone who wants a dependable hoverboard for everyday cruising without unnecessary extras.